Welcome guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about the best recorder ever. Now if you go here and type up OBS and you go here and you see this. Now OBS, click on Windows. I'm using Windows right now. Click on Windows and actually nope, don't do that. OBS I don't recommend. I have a really crap PC, so let me just. Okay guys, this is the editing me. I just realized what I said. OBS is actually a really good software. It's just that if you don't really have the if you don't really have a good computer, it's not really that good to use. Does that make sense? Because you get so many, you just get so many dropped frames, you lag a lot, and it just isn't worth it. But if you do have a good computer, PC or laptop or whatever, and you can stream with it or all that, then I'd actually recommend OBS. I really highly recommend it. Anyway guys, see ya. Exit through that, press get a new tab and actually download this software called Fraps. Oh no, not that. Now basically you get Fraps. Now Fraps in my opinion is the best one, honestly, because it's so sick, and all that. So basically what you do is you go here, press download, and then yeah, it's for Windows XP 2003 and Windows 7, but you can also do it for Windows 10. So boom, then you set up, you press save and download it. I've already got it downloaded right here, so there's no point. So I see you guys there after you downloaded it. Okay, so basically after you have Fraps on, I'll show you the settings of my one. So start Fraps minimized, then start Fraps minimized. This monitor area desktop DWM, that doesn't work anymore. That means it so that you could use the recorder screen, but you can't do that anymore. So even if you check that, it doesn't really matter. I don't really like Fraps running when it starts, to be honest, and Fraps always on top. I don't really like that. Go to FPS, benchmark settings. I just put on FPS. Don't touch that. If the overlay corner, basically what this is every time you record, that's where the FPS count is. So you'll be here, or you could hide it. But I actually like seeing it, so I just put in the top left corner. Go to movies. Now this is the part which you need to understand. Now, if you have a really, let's say a really shitty PC, I would recommend 29.97 or 30 FPS. Now, if you want to, you can do 50. I usually do 60. I used to do 120. So if we go here, 120, and then you can just select as that. However, what I would say is that 120 is for players who can actually handle the lag. So if you can't handle the lag, just go for 60, and then here, if this is basically if you want to record the sound of the actual thing, and leave on stereo. Multi-channel just makes it more laggy, so just don't. So stereo. Record external input, that's like your microphone. So if I want to talk in the video, I have that on. Just if you don't want to talk in it, and check that. Here, how hide this, I don't really use that, to be honest. Lock frame rate. Now this is gonna be this is the part which you guys need to think about. Basically, pretend your game usually runs at, let's say, 90 FPS, and you're recording at 60 FPS. What this does, it actually makes your game go down to 60 FPS, so then it's recording at 60 FPS, not like it's recording at 60 FPS with a game at 60 FPS. If you uncheck this, that means it's recording at 60 FPS with a 90 FPS game, which you may lose some frames. So in my opinion, I'll just lock it. Like, it's better to lock it. And screenshot, who gives a crap about that? So anyway, yeah. Yeah, okay, so basically you have to go to your Roblox game. I'm trying to go to, I don't know, what Roblox game should I go into? Let's go into, I don't really know what Roblox game. Let's go into, why is my internet so slow? Okay, let's go to, I don't know, Murder Mystery or something. Like, I don't really care. Okay, press servers. Okay. Oh wow, let me just play. I'll show you guys how to use Fraps whilst in the game. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, you should have a key for what you record with. So I usually do the back, the I don't even know what it's called, to be honest. I don't even know what it's called, but I just keep leave as that. Okay, so is OBS running? Yes, it is running. Okay, so basically, as you can see, my PC is kind of crap, and as you can see the top left corner, you can see that it's saying 25 or 30. So if I start recording, you can see that it's trying to go to 60, but it can't because of my crap potato PC. So yeah, that's why I love this, because it's trying to go up, it can't, because I'm recording with OBS as well. Look at that. Oh god, I hate OBS so much. Like, it's honestly so crap. Oh my lord. Anyway, let's just play a round of Murder Mystery, I guess. Like, I haven't played this game in a while. Let me go here, boom. Let me play Big Shack. I don't know. I don't know what to play. Okay, let's just go. Oh my god, don't kill me. Don't kill me, boy. Don't kill me. Whatever you do, boy, do not kill me. Don't kill me, boy. Please. Please, boy, don't kill me. I think that guy's the murderer. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me. I don't trust anyone. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me, bro. I have no idea who's the murderer. No idea. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, some guy just got stabbed. Who is that? Wait, who got stabbed? Hello? Why is there still stuff about Halloween? Oh, it's ended. Oh no, buddy. Oh no. That guy's the murderer. Yeah, if I die or survive, I'm probably just gonna... Oh no, buddy. Yo. Oh my god. Okay, buddy. I hate this game so much. Okay. Anyway, that's the end of the video, you guys. Like and subscribe, I guess, and I'll see you guys next time, I guess. I just wanna die.